Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about map and filter in Python. Map and filter are essential built-in functions in Python for efficiently processing iterables. Definition: the map function applies a specified function to every item in an iterable, returning a new iterable with the results. The filter function evaluates a specific function on each item in an iterable, returning a new iterable with only the items that pass the function's criteria. And map is commonly used to transform data in a list. For example, converting a list of temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Filter is frequently used to extract elements from a list that meet certain conditions. For instance, filtering a list of numbers to only include even numbers. And so when you get Celsius here, you just write it by Celsius on all the time, and then notice really slow. The map function in Python is used to apply a specific function to every item in one or more iterables. It takes a function and one or more iterables as arguments, then applies the function to each item in the iterables, returning an iterator of the results. For example, double in terms of double numbers list map function that doubles each item from the numbers list. The result is a new list, doubled numbers with each element doubled. And finally, calling print doubled numbers will output and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This showcases how the map function efficiently processes and transforms data in Python. Filter function in Python is utilized to selectively extract elements from a given iterable based on a function's evaluation. It accepts a function and an iterable as each element in the iterable is tested against the function, and only the items for which the function yields true are included in the resulting iterator. For instance, consider the scenario where you have a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the objective is to filter out the even numbers by employing filter function with a lambda function that checks for even numbers, x%2 equals 0. You can selectively retain only the even numbers in a new list as demonstrated in the provided Python code snippet. Utilize filter function in Python with a lambda function to streamline the process of selectively extracting elements from an iterable based on specific criteria. The combination of map and filter in Python allows for applying transformations to an iterable and subsequently filtering the results based on a specific condition. In the provided example, the code doubles each even number in a list. The map function applies the lambda function that doubles each element to all the elements in the list. The filter function then filters out only the even numbers by checking the modulus of each element against 2. Lastly, the filtered and doubled numbers are converted back to a list. By combining map and filter in this way, you can efficiently transform and filter data in a single operation, making your code more concise and readable. And using a map in Python is like using a GPS to navigate through a city. It helps you apply a function to each element in a list and return a new list with the results. Filtering in Python is like using a search filter, on an online shopping website. It helps you select specific elements from a list based on a certain condition and return a new list with only those.
Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the provided Python code, we explore the concepts of map and filter functions. Firstly, using map is analogous to navigating through a city using GPS. We start by defining a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A function named double number is created to double each number passed to it. By utilizing the map function, we apply the double number function to each element in the list numbers, resulting in a new list doubled numbers containing the doubled values. The list function is used to convert the map object to a list for easy comprehension. The output displays the original numbers and the doubled numbers. Next, we move on to the filter function, which can be likened to using search filters on an online shopping website. We define a list of words apple, banana, cherry, date, grape. A function starts with A is created to filter words that start with the letter A. By employing the filter function, elements in the list words are selected based on the conditions specified in the starts with A function. The filtered words are then converted to a list for display. The output showcases the original words and the filtered words starting with the letter A. In the output, we see the original numbers and their doubled values after applying the map function. Similarly, the original words and the filtered words starting with A are displayed after utilizing the filter function. In the industrial world, map and filter functions in Python are extensively used for various data processing tasks. Let's look at two examples based on real-world applications. 1. Financial data analysis. Map. In financial data analysis, the map function could be used to calculate the compound interest for a series of investments over time. By mapping a compound interest calculation function over a list of initial investment amounts and durations, you can efficiently compute the final amounts. Filter. For financial data filtering, you might use the filter function to extract specific transactions that meet certain criteria, such as transactions above a certain value or within a specific date range. Filtering out relevant data allows for more targeted analysis and decision-making. 2. Image processing. Map. Image processing tasks often require transformations on individual pixels. Using the map function, you can apply operations like color adjustments, pixel transformations, or filters across an image's pixel array to achieve desired effects or enhancements. Filter. In image processing, the filter function could be utilized to remove noise from images by applying a noise reduction filter that identifies and retains only the essential features of an image while eliminating unwanted artifacts or pixel inaccuracies. Whether it's analyzing financial data for investment decisions or processing images for creative endeavors, the map and filter functions in Python serve as powerful tools that enable efficient data processing, transformation, and extraction in various real-world applications across industries worldwide. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.